most technology-based companies and the e-commerce industry flourished very well during a time when most of us were forced to be in our homes. When e-commerce platforms did well, the same thing can be said about last-mile delivery companies, and we will discuss one of them today. Hello, future billionaires. Welcome to Pennystock Lifestyle. The channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. And also, don't forget to like the video as well. Now that you're done with that, let's get right into the video, shall we? We know that investors like you are always on the lookout for the best stocks to buy, especially when they're clearly undervalued when you look at the company's fundamentals. Well, we do have one such company that focuses on last-mile delivery, and the company is PARCEL PAL. But what does PARCEL PAL do exactly? Well, the company is looking forward to leading the logistics industry. The company tries to do this by connecting consumers to businesses where they can easily get the goods that they want at any time and anywhere. The customers need to shop from the companies that are partnered with PARCEL PAL, and they can receive the goods that they ordered within a day or two, or sometimes within the hour if they're lucky. The company is currently operating in major cities of Canada, and they're looking forward to expanding to more and more cities in the near future. They partner up with companies that provide health products like medicines, meal kits, groceries, and other retail items too. During the making of this video, the company's stock price is about 14 cents, with a market capitalization of $16.13 million. The company not only provides deliveries to customers, but they do the same for businesses too. The company has done 5 million deliveries so far, and that is huge. Now, why do we feel that this company is worth your investment? Well, when you look at any company, the leadership skills of the top officials are one huge factor that determines the company's success. In the case of PARCEL PAL, we have Rich Wheeless as the CEO. Now, Rich Wheeless has a very good business background, and he clearly knows a thing or two about running a company. Rich has been the CFO of the publicly traded company called TAAL Distributed Technologies. He also marked his presence as a CFO of other companies like Rivets Inc., LaunchKey Inc., and even Pilus Energy. He also has experience in managerial roles in companies like Cardinal Health and even Johnson & Johnson. All these experiences are very important because handling a logistic company is no easy task. Rich Wheeless then becomes the right choice for the position because in order to run a company that deals with parcels, someone like Rich who knows the industry can contribute to the company much better than anyone else. A business-to-business model's customer base will be very different when you compare it to the customer base of a company that runs on business-to-consumer model. The other reason why we think this business will be growing a lot is because same-day delivery is something most customers are looking for. More and more people rely on e-commerce platforms for their needs, so a company like PARCEL PAL can position itself very well. The reliance of people on e-commerce websites to purchase products during the pandemic has only contributed to the company's growth, as the demand for last-mile deliveries will continue to rise in the near future. The other reason why you need to invest in this company is because of the partnership of the company with Bayshore Specialty RX, which is a subsidiary of Bayshore Healthcare. Bayshore specializes in the supply of medicinal equipment and medicines. The important thing that you need to keep in mind is that medicines are usually purchased for longer terms, which means ensuring continuous supply is a must, and it can be quite profitable too. The medical industry, especially the pharmaceutical industry, is known for higher profit margins, and medical companies don't mind spending a little more money to satisfy the demand of their customers by delivering the products to them. Also, just after changing the company's business model to B2B, PARCEL PAL found its new partner in Cisco. The reason behind this partnership is to help deliver Cisco home products and goods to the customers in Canada. Cisco is also very well known as a company that buys other companies, so in order to meet the logistic demands, the company could one day buy PARCEL PAL. When you look at the market capitalization of Cisco at around $43.25 billion, they are capable of buying PARCEL PAL. Also, due to the high demand for last-mile delivery, the company is growing a lot, with the size of the company and total number of employees around 200 to 300. You can expect the company's size to grow even bigger when you have the company getting more and more clients. Parcel Pal also recently announced its partnership with OCO Meals in Ontario, Canada, and this company is a marketplace for food prepared by local chefs. So, this is indeed a perfect opportunity for Parcel Pal to position itself as a food delivery service provider too. Let's now look at another reason for you to consider Parcel Pal. That would be its valuation. When you look at the company's current market capitalization, it may not seem like a lot because the company is still not profitable under both B2C and B2B models. The truth is, the investor community is not yet aware of the dramatic changes that are taking place in the company, let's say since the last few months. The CEO, like we mentioned earlier, is cutting down all unnecessary expenses, and this can make the company more efficient. And this also helps to position the company in the market as a B2B solution, which can then help all the companies that are looking to enter the delivery space. Yes, Parcel Pal started out as an Uber of everything, but now they're looking forward to being that delivery partner that could help small and medium-sized business owners to deliver their products to their customers directly. Parcel Pal can make a lot of revenue if they can fulfill the requirements of their clients, and most e-commerce platforms continue to show their presence online and not offline. What this means to Parcel Pal is that they can cash in on this opportunity to make revenues long term, because delivery is a vital part of any e-commerce business. If the company can expand in Canada and then to the US and then more and more countries, this investment is worth all the money, as the stock prices will rise up to a much higher value. This is very much possible because of the change in shopping trends in a post-COVID-19 situation where people are used to getting their stuff online. You can also expect Parcel Pay to be acquired by a much bigger company, so the potential is endless, and now is the time to get these stocks. So, what are the risks involved with this investment? Well, you cannot make money without risks, and the same is the case when you buy stocks. If you can make a lot of money from the stock market, then you can lose a lot of money as well. The current CEO of the company is doing really great so far, and if he decides to leave the company before 2024, then things may not look good for the company, and that would be the right time to sell the stocks. If the company fails to satisfy its current commitments or fails to grab more and more clients, then that too would be the right time to sell the stocks. Analysts expect the company to grow really well during 2021 and 2022. But if things don't go as planned and if the revenue figures are not up to the mark, then you should think about exiting the position. The other thing that you need to keep in mind is that the company currently has around 15 million in debt. Yeah, that is a big amount of money when you look at the size of the company. But if the company is capable of getting more clients and attracting more and more investors, then this debt can be quickly cleared up. Now, to sum up, Parcel Pal did not find much success when it tried to be the Uber of everything. But with the new CEO of the company, things are changing with more focus on the B2B model for the bulk deliveries for businesses, and the B2C model for the businesses that are looking forward to delivering the products to their customers directly. Time is money for most people, and in the coming years people will happily shop online and get their products delivered in a day, instead of spending so much time visiting a physical store and waiting in line to pay bills. Parcel Pal could also position itself to be the one-stop solution for all businesses looking forward to entering the logistics part of the e-commerce business, with a quality and reliable service that doesn't have a high barrier of entry. Parcel Pal can take care of everything delivery related, which includes the labor and the fleet of vehicles that facilitate these one-day deliveries. With that, we've come to the end of our video. What do you think about Parcel Pal? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, a gentle reminder to subscribe to our channel for more informative content just like this one, and do press the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Also, don't forget to like the video if you found it useful. Catch you all in the next video.